President-elect Donald Trump says he wants to wrestle ownership and control of Greenland, renewing a pledge he first made in 2019.
Well, we need Greenland for national security purposes. I've been told that for a long time.
Donald Trump Jr. just visited the territory, where locals were seen wearing MAGA hats.
I just want to say that it's a very special place.
But to actually buy the island, the U.S. would have to first navigate a series of obstacles.